Fransisco is a fun city on the central coast of California. The city invites you to explore elegant buildings, and the Union Square is the heart of downtown, famous for iconic cable cars, central shopping, entertainment, and for recreation. Has a warm summer Mediterranean climate with moist, mild winters and dry summers. A liberal, relaxed atmosphere, famous for Victorian houses. And the city is the 17th most populous in the United States.
Welcome to San Francisco. Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. It's another year and this time we are here in California, bringing you guys along to the city of San Francisco through our lens. So alright, starting right off at the iconic Golden Gate Bridge. So here we begin the day.
Park the car at Fort Baker's Point and walking by the trail. Coming across one of the spot and the view could see amazing blue sky ocean. Moving ahead to Vista Point where we could get most of the information. And in 1937, the Golden Gate Bridge made its debut, the world's longest suspension span. The entire bridge is 1.7 miles long and the tower rises 746 feet above the bay. A breathtaking scenic spot. You can see the bridge from a variety of places, from Vista Point to Battery Bridge, or just experience the ocean wind as you walk along the bridge. Being on bridge is an awesome experience. It realizes how big the bridge is. It's absolutely worth the visit. Heading towards our next sightseeing, that is Fisherman's Wharf. We are here at Pier 39, definitely tourist attraction. Popular tourist attraction and views of California sea lions hauled out on deck on the marina. The crawling ones, playful. The sea lions are just amazing to see, especially when you have kids. We are good of not taking a ferry to Alcatraz, as we could take a look out through the waterfront, the majestic mountain as a backdrop. There we could zoom in. Alcatraz, the famous landmark, was the ultimate maximum security prison. Watching the sunset at Twin Peaks, a hilltop popular attraction, having a 360-degree view of the Bay Area with the majestic skyline of downtown and Bay Bridge, one of the best sunset experience. Remote residential neighborhood with the modern homes densely packed on the street. Featuring a beautiful dome and curved columns inspired by Roman and Greek architecture. One of the remaining structure from the 1915 Panama Pacific Exposition.
Alright guys, so here we made it at the Palace of Fine Arts and it's absolutely beautiful. So it's day 2 of our SFO travel diaries. So without any further delay, let's roll the video.
This is one of the rainy day. Palace of Fine Arts is the largest remaining structure, draws in hundreds of visitors a day. California is famous for a steep. Here we are at Lombard Street, one block section with 8 hairpin turns. It doesn't take you too long, but it would be definitely a worthwhile sight. And at Alamo Square Park, you could see the postcard row or the Seven Sisters, known as Painted Ladies, which are Victorian and Edwardian house and building.
Mira, bye.
San Francisco will definitely win your heart with the beautiful design architectural houses. Coming to Ghirardelli Square, reaching the world's last manually operated cable car system, an icon of the city. And last but not least, entering the Ghirardelli with shops, wineries and award-winning restaurants, and of course the famous Ghirardelli chocolate.
But I'm so frustrated. Hello to my loneliness. I guess that ignorance is bliss. Take me back to before the new. Rewind, take it out of cue. Innocence can be a young man's game. Signed up for the hall of shame. I wish I knew how much I miss not knowing that we're all screwed.
Is the premier San Francisco destination to end our road trip from Washington to California. If you like watching the video, please hit on the like button and do subscribe our channel. See you next time. Goodbye.